teach you how to install and set up Tweetster. So let's start. So first thing is you need to go to your browser and search Android Studio, and then go to this link, and then you have to download the Android Studio inside your PC or whatever you are using. It's easy, and after downloading you have to install it. uh, these are easy steps, you can do it. And still I'm including the video in the documentation, so you can follow that also. So after downloading and installing it, and once you open it, you will see this kind of screen. So now you have to click on open existing project, then choose the project wherever it is saved, and choose it and click on open, and then it will open. Just you have to wait for it. Okay, so now it's like it's imported, and now you can work on it. So first thing is you need to change the app name. So go to app, resource, values, and then go to strings, and then change your app name here. So I'm gonna change it to something like to it something. And so okay, so now the app name has been changed. So now I will go to the now I'm going to change the logo of the app. So like go to like resource, then go to new and image asset, and this window will pop up. So now go to background layer, change the background of the app to whatever you want. Like this is the background, so you can change it to whatever you want. You can change it to like image, or you can like use colors. So I'm going to use the color. Then go here and then choose an image. So I'm going to choose an image. Okay, so I have also like this is how your logo will look. So I'm going to click on next, finish. So your logo has been changed. So now you have to change your logo from the splash screen. So for that, go to so for that like copy your logo. Okay, so I'm gonna take this because this is PNG. I'm gonna copy this. You can if you are using SVG file. So first I will show you for PNG or other JPG like files. You have to copy this, paste it over here. Like you can rename it to whatever you want. I'm gonna rename it to something like T, and then click on refactor. I'm gonna click on T. So now that image has been like, so now that logo is displaying that PNG or whatever image type you are using. So if you are using SVG, then click on new vector asset and click on like choose the SVG file you want to like use for your that was your logo. And after choosing, click on open and click on next, finish. So now so after clicking on finish, type the name of that file. So here we go, like you can see the logo over here. So now it's our logo is also done. So now if you want to change that spacer, copyright spacer sign, so you have to change it, like, so go to edit email, click on it, and you can change it to whatever you want, like to it whatever your company name is, or if you want to completely delete it, then that's it. So you can change it and then click on edit password. Do the same thing here, like whatever you want it to it, and then edit. I guess these were the activities which had these, yeah. So if you find any other activity in which these like copyright spacer is included, you can change it like this. So now the that also has been done. So now we are going to change the privacy policy and the terms. So how to change that? Go to Java and then open this one, then go to activity and click on policy and click on terms. So now these are like HTML types. So if you like you type after typing like let's say you write a policy, then you have to convert it into HTML, and then you have to and then you have to paste it over here in like this data in between these two. So like you have to paste it over here, same for policy and same for terms. Okay, so this is how you are going to change it. And then the privacy policy and these are also done. So now we are going to change the package name of the app. So now click on Java and then click on this like a little setting button, click on compact middle package name, and now these will be like all three get separated. So now you can change it to whatever you want. Just click on it and then click on refactor and then click on rename and click on this rename package and then rename it to whatever you want. I'm going to rename it to tweet. Remember, you have to change this because um, it won't work in the Firebase. Uh, so yeah, it's done. So now you can also rename your like this company name also by same like following the same steps. Okay, so I'm not gonna rename it. So like package name also has been done. Yeah. So one more thing, just go to the manifest, open this manifest file, just copy this package, copy it, and then go to Gradle support and then click on this middle one, this one, and then just replace this with this is how you have to yeah, this is how you have to replace it, this with the thing you have copied from here. Just place it over here, replace this with it, then click on sync now. So yeah, this is also done. So now next thing is we have to connect it to Firebase. So go to your Google Chrome and search Firebase, or type this URL firebase.google.com. Then this page will open. Go to console. You have to log in first and then go to console and then click on add project and type in your project name. Click on continue. Click on continue. I'm gonna set it to like, okay, so I'm gonna create a new or okay, so project is ready. So now you have to click on the Android, type your package name, just go to manifest, copy this, paste it over here. Nickname if you want, it's optional. And then this SHA1 keys, go to Android Studio, and then in right side you will see this Gradle option, click on it, and then click on like expand Tweetster, then go to app task, and then go to Android, then click on sign in report. Just copy this SHA1 key, which is same in all case, don't worry about that. Just copy one of them, SHA1 key, remember that this should be SHA1 key, so copy this key, copy it, then paste it over here and click on register app. Now download this Google service.json. Okay, so just copy this, go to your Android Studio, click on it, go to project, then open this Tweetster, and then under Tweetster, just you can see this app, just paste it over here. Okay, in this and under app folders. Okay, so refactor. So yeah, it's like it's under the apps. You can see that. Now go to this, click on next, click on next, and then continue to console. So now that's like our app has been connected to Firebase. Now first thing is you have to enable the authentication methods. So get started. Now then like click on signing method and enable this email and password and the phone. Okay, so you have to enable this too, because if you don't enable this, then your this phone or email sign in will not work. Now go to real-time database, click on create database, click on next, and start in lock mode, click on enable. Okay, so now thing is you have to change your rules, database rules, by clicking on the rules over here and changing these rules to true. Okay, so now we have to publish this rules, dismiss. Just to click on the storage, get started, click on next, and done. Now go to rules. You have to change also, you have to change the rules in storage also. Remove these things, like remove it. It should be like this. Click on publish. Okay, so done. Now all the three things are done. So now you have to go to this, click on the setting button and go to project setting, You click on this cloud messaging, you copy this server key, you have to copy it, just go to your app, change it back to Android, and then you have to click on Java and then open that. I'm going to change it back to compatible again. Just open it. Now go to activity, and then activity, go to chat activity, just paste it over here. Okay, so I'm going to paste it over here. There we go. Okay, this like after this key equal to sign, after equal to sign, you have to just paste the key over there like this one. Okay, now go to comment activity, also do the same over here, paste it after the equal to sign. Now go to this user profile activity and do the same over here. There you go. And then go to adapter, and in adapter go to the post and just paste it over here also. That's it. So this is for the notification, so if you don't like do this, you won't receive any notification. So now it's done. Yeah, and there's one more activity in which you have to paste it, which is story view activity. Just paste it over here also. Not done. And this story chat wave activity. That's it. This is the last one. So yeah, now you will receive their notification also. So close all these. Now go back to your Firebase. Now all things has been done, like it's completely connected to the Firebase. So now we have to connect it to the AdMob. So now go to your AdMob. Go to this link, or like just search AdMob and create your account over there. And after creating and opening, you will see this kind of, and click on this add app. You will see that screen, and then you have to go to the apps and click on the add app, and then after clicking on it, go to the Android, and if it's like published and not published, so it's not published, so I'm going to click on no, continue, type the app name, click on add app. It's done. So I'm gonna like go to this, like you have to go to this, then click on add app, and then follow that steps. Okay, so now go to the app settings, copy this app ID, go to Android, your like that project, and just paste that over this, like go to this bottom of the file, and then just paste it or replace it with here. Okay, so, and now go to the add units, like get started and create a banner, and native advanced. So you need these two add units. So I just copy the banner add ID and just go to the resource, values and then strings, and just paste the banner ID over here, like it's written also, it is also written over there. Paste the banner ID and then copy your native ID and paste it over here. So now your AdMob is also like connected. So now the for live stream the agora.io is remaining. So I'm going to type in this io. You have to go to this agora.io, search it over here, or just go directly click type agora.io. So this like screen will pop up. You have to here, like if you don't have account, just click on get started and create an account, or like I have the account. So signing up, you will see this screen. So you just go to the project manager, click on create, just type your like name and like I'm gonna type some different live, and then click on testing mode. Okay, so remember you have to click on testing mode. We will take it to live mode, don't worry, but click on testing mode first. Okay, so click on it, like select the testing mode, submit. Okay, so project has been created. This is the project. So I'm going to copy the app ID and I'm going to go to this under values, like resource values strings dot config, and then paste it over here. Okay, so your app ID has been pasted over here and then it's done. So now click on edit, now click on live and then simply click on save and verify this. Like okay, so you have to verify the like your email or whatever you have by which you have signed in, and just click on confirm. And after verifying, so now this has been set to live, and you have pasted the app ID as like same, and then so it's also done. So now like it's done. So now both all the things has been done. So your app is ready, you can run it. I'm gonna run it and show you. So it's gonna take some time. I'm gonna pause the video. Installed, so let's check. There you go, you can see the logo. Yeah, you can yeah, you forgot to change this logo. Okay, I will teach you how to change that. Go to the this resource, and resource, go to layout, and the layout, go to the welcome activity dot welcome. Yes, just click on it and replace this with your logo name. Like my logo name was, see, that has been changed. So done. So now yeah, where was it? Yeah, so now I'm gonna sign up. I'm gonna click on continue. I'm gonna create a new profile. Click on sign up.
Okay, so now it's working. You can see, like, we can see your name over here, and now it's like working perfectly. So thank you for watching.